Welcome to Royal Chess Academy. My name is Murugan. I am a federating chess player, chess coach. This video title discovered chess tactics. One way to play. Material is equal, but position is white side plus. White attack the h7 check. This knight is overload piece. Control the square and queen. Suppose knight capture the bishop, queen material loss. So black play this move. Bishop f5, discovered check. King attack and queen attack. King play g8. Bishop capture queen. Win the material. Black player resume this game. Chess tactics 2. White to play. White have two minor pieces. Black have only one knight. Now white to play. White play one brilliant check. Discovered check. King cannot come this square. Knight control this square. King play this move or any move. Knight capture knight. Bishop and knight winning possible. White win this game. Chess tactics 3. Now white to play. White play one brilliant move. Discover check. Rook capture the bishop. Pawn push d8. Queen. Only possible move. Bishop b8. White play queen d5 check. Checkmate. If you like this video, give like, share your friends, give comment, subscribe Royal Chess Academy.